Bedtime meditation. Stand beside your bed and slowly begin to settle down nerves. Quiet down the thoughts that have pursued you throughout the day and allow the mind to come to a place of stillness. Feel the ground rise up to meet your feet and ground you. Feel yourself standing strong and still. Breathe. Allow for a moment to pass while you deepen your breaths and become more aware of what is going on in your body. Traveling from the ground up, notice how you feel. Your feet, calves, knees, thighs, and so on. Move upward, but gently. You do not want to rush this, so allow a moment to pass in stillness for each area of the body. Once you've reached the crown of the head, sit down in bed as gently as you possibly can. Remain in that place of inner stillness. Notice how your body feels now, how it aligns to this new position. Just like before, travel from the head down this time, softening any lingering energy in your body. Once you reach the toes, continue to soften and breathe until your body feels as soft as a cloud. You are ready for sleep. This is the end of the session. This is the end of the session.